How many of you guys experience this? You open up a few trades, then the next moment when you check back the profits that you made, and suddenly you realize the whole wallet has turned to zero. Then you might be thinking, where the heck my money goes? And yes, you have just been liquidated. Welcome to the Crypto Lab, guys. My name is Sifu Wong. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can avoid from getting liquidated from futures trading. First of all, let us try to understand how liquidation works. Well, liquidation is basically a forced stop of your particular trade in losses if your margins turn up to be too low, or we call it as your collateral in your wallet has become insufficient. Because each and every trade that you open right here, there will be a liquidation price. So what we can do in order for us to avoid from liquidation. In this video, we are going to talk about a few methods that you can avoid from getting liquidated. Number one, use a proper risk management. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. Always practice a risk and reward ratio of, let's say, for example, each and every trade. This is what I would like to do, is that each and every trade I will only use 1 to 2% of my whole wallet balance. Second point that you always need to remember, I always stress this out. This is super important. Always remember to set your stop loss. Now, when setting stop loss doesn't mean that you need to lose that amount of money, but setting stop loss is to avoid you from losing more than what you can lose. That said, you can avoid from hitting the liquidation price first because it will hit your stop loss first before the liquidation price. Number three, always keep an eye on your margin and your funding rates. Well, suddenly when the funding rate has turned to negative, you might need to consider topping up your wallet if the balance has been running too low. And also another thing that you can consider is that to avoid liquidation, try to use isolated mode instead of cross mode when you try to trade, because you are only risking that particular trade instead of risking the whole wallet of getting liquidated. Tips number four, avoid emotional trading or FOMO. There are always opportunities that do not chase trade. Always stick to your plan and use and apply your strategy that you have backtested. Last but not least, diversify your trade and do not put everything in one coin. If you lose a trade, it's fine. Move on. Do not go into a revenge mode. All right? So hopefully all these tips here will give you some ideas on how you can avoid from getting liquidated. If you learned something new, please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out anything important. Do not also forget to sign up for your new BitUnix account in the description area below and send your user ID to my Telegram, where I'm going to add you to our community where you can enjoy all the support that you need and gain massively together with us. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.